Hello everyone and welcome back. This video is all about the pre-preparations done on the previous day of Eid. Even though it's lockdown days, festivals has to be celebrated because this is the only kind of happiness which can bring a positivity to our lives. Even though we cannot celebrate it as it was before, we'll celebrate it within our limits. Those who are following my vlogs might know that I used to prepare sweets for Eid, especially on the previous day, to share among family and friends. So this year also I have prepared some sweets, so sharing the video with all of you. After marriage, for every Eid, I used to miss my sister for applying mehendi on the hand and doing henna works. But now I have Nainu, I used to apply henna for her. Even though she washed it in minutes, it's just the little happiness. So let's start the preparation. The first sweet is ras malai. For this I have taken milk powder of the brand Rainbow. You can take a milk powder of your choice. First of all, you have to take 1 cup of milk powder. Into this we have to add baking powder. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now add 1 teaspoon of ghee and 1 teaspoon of all-purpose flour. Now crack an egg to this mixture. Mix well. Now you have to make this mixture into a thick dough, very soft. Now the dough is ready. As you can see, it is very soft and fluffy. Now let's make the dumplings or ras malai. I have taken small quantity. You can decide the size and shape of your ras malai. I am making it into a disc shape. Now keep these dumplings in refrigerator for 5 to 8 minutes until our milk is boiling. Now to a saucepan, add almost half a liter milk. Allow the milk to boil and now add the saffron. I am adding the saffron essence. If you have the original one, you can add that. It gives a nice flavor and color. And for the color, I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now our ras malais have been refrigerated. Adding it to the boiled milk and just cook it for 5 minutes. And your ras malais are ready. You can either garnish it with pistachio or badams. Now next I am going to make besan barfi. It's very simple recipe and very delicious also. So let's start. For this I am adding half a cup of ghee to a saucepan and melting it. After that add 1 cup of besan powder or gram flour. Now roast it well. For preparing barfi, you can add the same quantity, 1 cup of gram flour to half a cup of ghee. It will give you barfis which is very much rich in ghee. So I am adding 1 more cup. So it will give a different texture which I love. Mix well and roast it well. Now we need to prepare sugar syrup. For this, I am boiling 1 cup of water, to which I am adding half a cup of sugar. Mix it well. I am going to prepare one more sweet, so I am keeping the kunafa dough outside from the refrigerator. Now add half a cup of sugar syrup to this besan mixture and mix it well until the dough is thick and moldable. Now my mixture is ready. Either you can spread it and cut it into triangles, but I am going to roll it out into balls. So our burfis are ready. You can either store them in fridge or use it as like this for 1 week. Now let's prepare bird's nest baklava. It's very simple recipe. For this you need kunafa dough. So I have kept it outside and now it is really soft. You should not break the strands as we are doing for kunafa. We need long strands since we are making rolls out of it by winding it together in the form of a nest. So we need long strands. First of all, I am buttering the trays because we are going to bake it. Now take long strands of the dough and butter it to make it little more soft. Now you have to roll it around your finger to make a bird's nest. So prepare everything in the same way and arrange in the baking tray. Now both of my trays are ready. I am buttering the nest with butter, melted butter. Now you can either keep pistachio whole or grinded. I am keeping 1 or 2 pistachios whole at the center. Now it's ready to bake. Baking it at 190 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Now it's really golden in color. Now it's time to add the sugar syrup. I have already prepared the syrup. I have told the measurement also. Pour it above and use it instantly. If you are using this later, just pour the syrup by that time only. Now it's time to share the sweet with everyone. So this is the sweet Eid from my side. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. See you in the next video with reminding of my Eid preparations. Till then, take care and bye bye. Do subscribe and share.